Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP right now. Thanks again for your continued support. We're almost at 50k subs now, which is amazing, absolutely amazing. Thank you for everything you're doing to contribute towards the growth of this channel. It's all good. It's all good. So basically with XRP, hopefully we can form this W double bottom pattern that we've got going on right now for XRP. But failing that, if we was to lose this key level of support right now, $1.15, you could see a further sell-off for XRP, okay? And you can see what it's done. It's basically, because what goes up must come down, you're aware of that, and then obviously when it comes down, it can go back up. So what's happening right now for XRP? You can see it's gone up and it's fell back on the previous swing high. Do you see that? Lost its support, and what it's done, it's fell back on the previous swing high there and lost that. And now holding that as a key level of support right now. So if XRP was to lose this key level right now, you could see it potentially sort of come back down and sort of sit on this previous swing low here, because that's what it does. It'll fall down, okay, back test the previous swing high. If it loses it, sits on the previous swing low. Do you see that? Sat on the swing low, bounced up, lost that, and then it's currently sat on the previous swing high there as well. So if it was to lose that just straight off the bat without looking at any EMAs or anything like that, or any indicators, you can see that potentially XRP could sort of come down to this sort of level and then sit on that if it did lose this particular key level of support right now. So, you know, just straight off the bat, you could see XRP come down to this sort of level there, where you had these bodies of the candles there sort of round about that 90 cent mark, okay, which we have anticipated in a previous video there, which is roughly the golden ratio on the weekly time frame. So just make you aware of everything on this channel. If it fails to create this sort of pattern now, this reversal pattern, W double bottom, then you could see that further sell off for XRP, and that would be a corrected reversal wave down to this particular key level for XRP. So hopefully it doesn't come to that, but again, always, you know, have your targets set and potential drawbacks, because I think if XRP did come down there, that would be a massive level to get involved in XRP. But so far so good. We are holding this key level of support right now, and we've failed to make a lower low. Do you see this? Just like I anticipated in yesterday's video, said if you come down and you hold this low, you're still making a higher low, and you can form into this kind of uptrend now, this reversal from this low here. So that's what XRP is doing right now. You could see it coming back up, and it is set on this EMA as resistance. If it keeps doing that, you're obviously going to see it come down and retest this trend line and adhere to it. Hopefully, if it does hold, great. If not, then do target that. It can't afford to lose that low there, because if it does, then you are looking at that further push down to that particular low there, and that currently sits at around about 90 cents. Okay, so this is what you need to target for XRP. We do need to keep an eye on this particular level right here to get this full reversal. So we're looking at this particular target right now for XRP, where we do come back up, okay, we get through these EMAs, come back and test this key level here of resistance at $1.49. If you do see XRP coming back up, breaking through that, back testing the support, you've got a lovely little recovery there and a lovely little trade for XRP of round about this, okay, which you could see it pump back up towards that $180 mark there for XRP. So that could be really fruitful, and that would be that W double bottom pattern that we anticipated in yesterday's video. So far so good for a bit of a recovery, but again, I've given you the key levels of support. We lose them, you're going to look at further downside for XRP. So what I want to make you aware of as well is the fact that this key level of support right now, because you can see it's come down, support, so it is adhering to some upper trend line. Do you see this? This particular upper trend line will start to creep up like this as XRP adheres to it, and then effectively, just like outlined in yesterday's video, if it does sort of get trapped, fails to get through this resistance and form this W double bottom, if it does get trapped like this, then you are forming an ascending triangle, which is a bullish continuation pattern. Okay, in an uptrend, it's a continuation pattern, and obviously you got the same breakout again once you do break out, and that's that target up there of $1.80. But again, if you was to break out the apex, okay, if you was to break out anywhere along here, then you could start to fall out and retest this lower low there. So that's basically XRP. Just a quick little update for you, just keep you in the loop of what's happening. Potentially, if you're confident that XRP's got reversal right now, and you did think it was going up to sort of that $1.80 mark right there for XRP, you could look at a lovely little trade from here of around 37%. Okay, so you could open a bit of a long there with sort of take profits and stop losses set, obviously, and that could be a nice full recovery for XRP. But if you want to take the more responsible route, wait for a break of this particular support, okay, this particular resistance line. Wait for a break of that and backtest of support, because that's basically waiting for confirmation. Okay, you could wait for a confirmation where you backtest, you break this is resistance, fall back and backtest the support, because you could have a lovely little trade of around 20% there for XRP back up to that sort of level there at $1.80. So that's XRP. So far so good, because we're making high lows. Okay, do you see that? High lows, we're starting to creep back up, but again, you may start to hit your head on this particular EMA there, the yellow line, okay, which is a 20 EMA. You may start to hit your head on it as a level resistance, would start to push you down, back testing this lower support line, break through that, lose it as support. Then you could potentially see that further sell off down towards these levels here for XRP. So it's a little bit of an update. We'll keep you in the loop at all times with XRP and let you know what's going on. Do take care, everybody. Trade safe and stay strong, and most importantly, stay tuned. And see you tomorrow. Bye bye.